Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, hey, I'm Danya Shetty. I do informative videos about studying abroad. If you're interested in such type of contents, then please do consider subscribing to my channel and also hit that bell notification right there so that you get notified whenever I'm on. So guys, today's background is not that appealing. I'm really sorry about that. I was very busy today and now I'm shooting this video right now at a night time, so it's really difficult to have more exposure to light. So this is the best angle that I could do. Today's video, as you may know from the title, is all about how you can apply to university without giving any application fees. Part 2. If you have not watched part 1, then please do go and watch part 1. I will provide it in the link in the description below and also in the I button above. And if you're interested in GRE waiver contents for Spring 2022 intake, I'll also provide that video link in the description. So in my part 1 video, I had discussed about a pathway, and in this video, I'll be discussing about another pathway, that is Shorelight pathway. Shorelight is a for-profit organization that helps students, counselors, and also students who want to pursue their higher education abroad to apply to US universities without any application fees. This particular company is situated in Boston, and today I will be taking you to the Shorelight portal, and I will show you how exactly you have to browse the Shorelight portal and apply to universities without paying any application fees. The specialty about Shorelight pathway is that you can be course specific. You can just go to Shorelight pathway and just type in your course name, and there comes the list of universities which Shorelight provides application waiver for. So yeah, see, for some programs there may be many universities that this particular website is providing application waiver for. For some courses, unfortunately, may not be more. So without any further ado, let's get into the video.
So guys, just click on Google and type in Shorelight or Shorelight pathway, for that matter, anything is fine. Just type in Shorelight and click on the search button. You will be redirected to couple of links. Just click on Partner University right there, and you will be redirected into Shorelight website. You can see there is for undergraduate and graduate courses. Click on graduate courses. So you can see the number of universities. Shorelight is providing application fees waiver for all these universities, but first you need to find out is it providing application fees waiver for your course. So here you have to filter and click on graduate and just type in your course. Let me take an example for that matter. Let me just type in mechanical engineering and show you. See, now I'm typing out mechanical engineering. I have selected mechanical engineering, and here comes the list of 6 universities that Shorelight is providing application fees waiver for mechanical engineering. So those are South Carolina, University of Mississippi, Universities of Illinois at Chicago, and Dayton University, Auburn University, Cleveland State University. And you can also see the US News ranking, which is pretty great, of all these universities. So guys, what are you waiting for? You have to just go and apply. That is what you have to do. You can apply. This is application also is very simple. You can just apply all by yourself. Now let me just take another example so that you may understand that they are not providing application fees waiver for all courses. Now I'm typing electrical engineering because one of my subscriber had asked about electrical engineering. Let me just show you it right here. It's providing application waiver for 4 universities, that is again South Carolina, Mississippi, University of Dayton, and Cleveland State University. So by this you might be clear that though there are number of many universities that Shorelight is providing application fees waiver for, but still you have to go and check out if it is providing application fees waiver for your particular course. That is very important, you guys. So I can't show for all 400 plus courses, right? So that you have to do all by yourself. Anyways, thank you.
Please like this video so that my video comes top in the reference, and also hit the subscribe button if you have not yet subscribed. And if you want any specific topic that I need to do, then please let me know in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to do video on that. Thank you guys. Bye.